Luscombe Suzuki are proud to present the Citroen Picasso C3 1.6 HDI VTR Plus. This vehicle is a 5-door vehicle with only 6,800 miles for a 5-year-old vehicle. Wow. £20 per year tax and around 65 miles per gallon combined. I will now start by walking you around the vehicle to give you an insight to specification and condition. Starting with the front, we have the daytime running lights with fog lights, 16-inch alloy wheels, all in great condition with great tyres, body coloured door mirrors, as you can see from walking around the video, the vehicle is in great condition with no marks, scratches or dents of any kind. I will now give you an insight to the interior specification. Starting with the front, here you can see we have wide opening doors which allow ease of access, height adjustable driver's seat allowing driver comfort, audio controls behind the steering wheel, with a CD radio FM player, aircon with rear heated screen, and as you can see around the vehicle we have various storage points. And if we take a look in the rear of the vehicle, you can see we have great legroom in the back with ISOFIX points on the outer rear seats, which is a 60/40 split system. I hope you've enjoyed the video. If you do have any questions about the vehicle, please feel free to give us a call on 0113 271 2288. Please remember the vehicle will come with a full service and MOT if needed, as well as a complimentary valet. If you haven't already, please feel free to have a look at our reviews on Facebook, Auto Trader and Google. Thank you for watching.